Hi everyone, it's James here from IronCity Motorcycles here in Gateshead, and I'd like to show you a video of this 2015 48 we have in stock. So here's the bike. Harley-Davidson 48 1200cc engine, finished in the gold hard candy custom paint with the gold flake running through it, complemented by the flames and the old school Harley-Davidson emblem. Bike has been upgraded, include big heavy breather, getting the engine cooled down for longer rides, chrome stock pipes in this bike, upgraded seat for 2-in-1 riding, so quite easy to take a pillion, and incorporated with this is the sissy bar with pad. Side mounted number plate on this bike also, which really opens up that back wheel. Previous owner has put a swinging arm bag, so it's great for a bit of storage. And you can get your phone, keys, glasses, anything in there, drink. Waterproofs, so you can see today, a little bit wet. An all round great looking bike. LED headlight, a day maker headlight being added to this bike. So yeah. So yeah, if you'd like any more information on this model, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Gateshead Harley-Davidson. Thank you for watching.